A state judge has ruled that abortions can continue in Louisiana for now. That is until a lawsuit between a Shreveport abortion clinic and the state is decided.
WDSU's Eli Brand has been gathering reaction and analysis of the decision all day. He joins us live now from New Orleans with more. Eli?
Well, that's right. The state's Attorney General Jeff Landry says the next step for the state is to get this to the state Supreme Court as soon as possible. But until that happens, both sides of the issue gave passionate reaction to today's decision. Democratic Representative Royce Duplessis from New Orleans tells WDSU while this isn't a permanent victory, it will save lives.
It's a great decision for women's reproductive rights now that they still have more time to have access to services that belong to them, that should belong to them. And now, obviously, the process is going to play out, but I'm certainly excited and grateful that there's a little more time that these services can be provided.
While Republican State Senator Sharon Hewitt says this is just muddying the water on state law.
Our disappointment is that the chaos created by the court system in whether to enforce the rules or not enforce the laws keeps changing. I do think that the law that we passed is constitutional.
Legal expert Lauren Canizaro Rodriguez says while this decision seems like a victory for the pro-abortion side, it could be very short-lived. She says there is an option for the state to file what is called a suspensive appeal on the decision, which would allow them to enforce the state's laws again.
It doesn't mean that the merits of the case are decided or anything. It only means that it nullifies the judge's order, which would essentially say that abortions could continue. In other words, that trigger law will be back in place and it will not allow abortions to continue in Louisiana. That's effectively what the suspensive appeal will accomplish.
State Attorney Jeff Landry has not said whether he will file that suspensive appeal or not, but did tell WDSU he will look to terminate what he calls a legal circus as soon as possible. Now, it's unclear exactly when the state Supreme Court could hear that case, but Rodriguez said she's expected it to happen sooner than later. Gina?